One day, the king saw a monkey in his garden. It was very thin. The king felt sorry for it. He fed it well and took care of it. He made it his pet. The monkey was very happy. Slowly, his health improved. The king dressed him in a gold suit and gave him a sword. He made the monkey his bodyguard. The king's friends advised him not to keep the monkey as a pet and bodyguard. The king, however, did not listen to them. ఒకరోజు రాజు కోతిని చూశాడు తన ఉద్యానవనంలో. అది చాలా పల్చగా సన్నగా ఉంది. రాజుకి చాలా ఉదయాన్నే నత్తుకుంది. చాలా బాధగా అనిపించింది. దానికి భోజనం పెట్టి బాగా చూసుకున్నాడు. ఆ తర్వాత దాన్ని